Do you know how to use VEO3 for free?
No, how is it?
Then see this video.
Hello everyone, this is Arif. Welcome to my brand new video. Today, I'm going to show you a completely new method to use VEO3 for free, no credit card or login required. And yes, it's 100% guaranteed to work. So, let's dive into the video and see exactly how it works and how you can access it for free. Please open any web browser and search for Cloud Skills Boost. The website URL will be provided in the description below. Now open any available lab. You can use this to generate videos with VEO3, completely free and without limitations. Now type Generative AI into the search bar. And select the lab titled, Generative AI with Vertex AI, from the results. Click the Start Lab button to begin the lab session. Open the Google Cloud Console in incognito mode for optimal performance and a smoother experience. After accepting Google's terms and conditions, you will be redirected to the Google Cloud dashboard. On the right side of the Cloud dashboard, locate and select Vertex AI. Then, choose the Media option. Previously, this section allowed users to generate videos, however, Google has permanently closed that feature. You might see an error message at this point. But don't worry. Don't be panic, I'll show you an alternative method to generate videos using VEO3. Now, open Gemini. You'll notice that you have access to a Pro account, which is linked to your QuickLabs account. With this account, you can generate unlimited videos. Next, click on the Video button. Here, you'll see that it's VEO3 Fast, completely free, and requires no credit card or login. In Gemini, you can generate image-to-video content using VEO3. Now, I'll demonstrate how to create a video from an image. I've uploaded the image and added the following script. The boy is speaking in English. Hello guys, I'm Arif, and welcome to my brand new video. Click the Send button to generate the video using the uploaded image. The video generation process takes about 1 minute or even less. Once completed, you'll be able to preview and download your new video instantly. You can also share it directly on your social media platforms or use it for presentations, marketing, or personal projects. The tool supports high-quality video output to ensure your content looks professional and engaging every time. Now, let's see the video and check out the final result.
Hello guys, I am Arif and welcome to my brand new video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this with your friend. Thank you.
Now, I'm going to create an ASMR food eating video, one of the hottest trending content styles these days. As I mentioned, it takes just a few minutes to generate the video. This quick processing time means you don't have to wait long to see your ideas come to life. Whether you're creating ASMR food eating videos or any other trending content, the fast generation lets you produce and share videos consistently, keeping your audience engaged and your channel active. Now, let's see the video. And that's the full process. You can now generate videos using this new method. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content like this.